In terms of digital solutions, an exciting new area is e-commerce, where Jio is working closely with Reliance Retail. In the coming months, we also plan to introduce apps around education, health, rural, livelihood, agriculture, and many more categories, because we truly believe it is time for digital life to reach the remotest corners of India. I will regularly apprise you of the progress that we make. Dear friends, I stand before you as a very proud leader and mentor of over 60,000 Jio employees across India. The average age at Jio is 30 years. Jio is a creation of the young, by the young, for the young. Akash and Isha, both 24, our directors at Jio have been hands-on leaders. They represent the large contingent of the less than 30-year-olds at Jio. I want to tell all our young people at Jio, Jio is what it is because of your passion, your ownership, and an attitude of can-do. You have proved that given an opportunity, Indian youth can achieve the impossible and be better than anyone in the world. I want to appreciate and thank each and every one of the Jio employees for their contribution to bringing Jio to life. All of you have made Jio what it is today. Born for the internet and born as a customer-obsessed organization. You are the founders of a revolutionary movement that puts the power of digital life in the hands of 1.2 billion Indian citizens. I have always set impossible goals for the Jio team, and they have exceeded my expectations also, always. So today, I set a target for Team Jio to acquire 100 million customers on the Jio network in the shortest possible time and create a new world record. I expect this to translate to a data usage of 250 crore GBs a month, and I'm counting on the Jio network team to ensure that Jio's all IP, only LTE network delivers flawlessly with the highest quality data in the world for each and every of our customers. Jio is also proud of all the channel partners it has created with Reliance Digital. Across India, we have over 5 lakh partners, and we consider them part of our Jio family. In this digital age, we are committed to their continued prosperity by introducing new win-win opportunities. Together with all our partners, the Jio family is nearly 50 lakh strong across India. This is the employment that Jio has created. Dear share owners, at this time, I also want to direct my words to another important constituency, existing Indian telecom operators. Healthy competition is the lifeblood of a vibrant economy. It is the engine that drives innovation and customer value. No doubt, all of us operators will compete vigorously in the marketplace. And I am sure that while doing so, we will inspire each other to rise to even greater heights in our quest to serve the Indian customer. However, incumbent operators have significant advantages over new entrants, since incumbents have well-established networks and existing customers. New entrants require fair access to both. Therefore, the onus is rightly on the incumbent operators not to misuse their market power by creating unfair hurdles when it comes to providing point of interconnect between their network and Jio's network. Such hurdles will serve only to create a poor experience for Jio customers who are trying to make calls to the incumbent operator's network. In fact, in the last week alone, Jio customers suffered over 5 crore call failures to other networks because of insufficient interconnect capacity. This gives our customers the impression that voice is not working, but I want to assure all customers on the Jio network that we have the highest quality, best voice network, and once the incumbents give us interconnect, you will experience voice like never before. Telecom operators have a legal obligation as a part of their license conditions to provide points of interconnect to their other operators. Likewise, they also have an obligation not to limit the customer's right to migrate to Jio using mobile number portability. I appeal sincerely to all my fellow operators to fulfill their obligation of providing interconnect without any delay so that no Jio customer suffers.